Hi guys, so continuing with the next question now. So sorry for breaking up the videos into multiple parts because you can see that Zoom is basically taking a lot of time today to convert the video. So that's why. Anyways, so illustration number 9. So let me just delete these things so that you don't cheat. Okay, cheat on the test, not here. Okay, now illustration number 9. Illustration number 9 says that what will be the impact of PV ratio, impact on the PV ratio on the if these things are changed. Now again, just to recap the thing, what is PV ratio? PV ratio is contribution divided by selling price. Contribution divided by selling price. Okay, so it's my profit slash volume ratio. Now, in this case, it gives us some things, variables that are changing and how it will be impacting my PV ratio. So I would suggest, first of all, pause the video and try to solve this on your own. Galtiyan hongi, you'll make mistakes, but it's fine. Okay, just pause it and try to figure it out, because if you hear me, there's not going to be any uh, addition to your knowledge. Okay, so I'm hoping you have done with that. Now let's get started. Any increase in the physical sales volume. So if my physical sales, so I made a calculation over here. So I'll practically show it to you as well, that PV ratio is changing or not changing, or increasing, decreasing, whatever. So increase in physical sales volume. So increase in physical sales volume. So what is my PV ratio? Contribution divided by selling price. Okay. So if I increase my sales volume, these are all selling price, variable cost. These are both changing. These are all proportion to the units. Okay. So if I increase my selling price, if I increase my number of units, selling price will also increase, variable cost will also increase the same rate. So ultimately there will be no impact on my contribution. So let's just see, let's make this 1000. So currently it's 60%. If I make this even 1000, then there's no change in the PV ratio. So in this case, it will remain the same. Second question is increase in the fixed cost. Now, what will happen if I increase or decrease my fixed cost? Again, we are calculating my PV impact on my PV ratio. PV ratio is contribution by selling price. This divided by this does not have anything to do with fixed cost. Okay, so even if I make my fixed cost as 20,000 even, okay, I'll get a loss, but my contribution does not change. Okay, so even in this case, there is no impact on my contribution and selling price, so PV ratio will remain the same. So let me change this back to 1000 again. Okay. Next is decrease in the variable contribution per unit. So now think, what will happen if I change my variable contribution per unit? This part. If I decrease this variable contribution by unit, what will happen to my contribution? Contribution will go up. Okay, so if I make this 3, contribution will become 7. Now if this becomes 7, then my this will increase. So even the variable cost decreasing, that means contribution is increasing. Contribution increasing means PV ratio increasing. What is the numerator? Numerator is contribution, denominator is selling price. So if the numerator increases, PV ratio will increase. The denominator increases, PV ratio will decrease. So here my variable cost is increasing, decreasing. So my contribution is increasing. So is contribution increasing, again PV ratio. I guess समझ गया. I know you on the other side of the screen you're saying, okay Rohan, समझ गए, आगे बढ़ो. Okay. Decrease in the contribution margin. Decrease in the contribution margin. So what is contribution margin? The 7. So if my contribution margin decreases, what will happen? PV ratio will decrease. समझ आ रहा है या skip करके चलेगा? I think most people have skipped the video कि नहीं समझ नहीं आएगा. Okay. Increase in selling price. So increase in selling price, what will happen if I increase my selling price? If I increase my selling price and if I देखो इसमें थोड़ा complicated क्या चीज है? Sorry, Raghuveer, I was speaking in Hindi. So the complicated thing here is that if I increase my selling price, the contribution will also increase. But because my variable cost is there, the increase in the selling price will be greater than my increase in the contribution. Okay, so ultimately if I make it 15, you can see the PV ratio increases. If I make it 20, again you can see it's still increasing. So it will increase. Got it? Now sixth question is decrease in fixed cost. Decrease in fixed cost. So again fixed cost से कुछ फर्क पड़ता है? Does it have any impact? No. Fixed cost is separate. So same. 10% increase in selling price and variable cost per unit. So both are increasing by 10%. So if both are increasing by 10%, then contribution also increasing by 10%. Okay, so this will become 11 and this will become 3.3. So ultimately my contribution is also increasing by 10%. So there's no impact. So this is also same. Again, 10% increase in selling price and 10% decrease in physical volume. Again, we have seen earlier physical volume से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It does not matter because if I decrease my units or increase my units, the contribution remains the same. So this part is useless. Now 10% increase in selling price. If my selling price increases, we already saw it over here. If my selling price increases, the PV ratio increases. And finally, I know 50% increase in the variable cost. Again, 50% increase the variable cost will, if I increase my variable cost, my contribution will go down. If my contribution goes down, PV ratio will go down. And 50% decrease in fixed cost. Fixed cost does not matter. So this part is not useful. Variable cost increases 50%, so contribution goes down. If contribution goes down, then my PV ratio goes down. So decreases. Okay, I hope this question is also clear. I think this is an important question because this might come in a MCQ. But just if you are confused, just try and put figures and try and calculate ki kya hoga, and try and figure out contribution kaun sa hai, which is your contribution, and then find out the PV ratio. Okay, PV ratio is contribution divided by sales.